hotel room tour. So you walk in, you got little seats here, couch, a little table, TV, little bar stuff. Closet right here. And then let's look at the bathroom. Out the gate, we have a mirror with the ring light around it. A sink. I already washed my hands. Soap and a soap. Toilet. Look at the shower. Okay, let's go in the shower. Like, look at this. Yes. I didn't even look at the toilet yet. Then we have another mirror. And then voila, the bed, a little phone, room temperature. I don't know the view from outside the window because the sun was already down. And then a TV number 2. And that is it. King size bed. All right, y'all. Harrah's room tour.